Where do you turn when you need insight and perspective on the issues impacting our nation and the world? Solid public policy background that is informed, independent, truly nonpartisan.
I'm Michael Rickards. Welcome to the Hall Institute of Public Policy.
Founded by philanthropist George Estes Hall in 2005, the Institute is dedicated to gathering expert research on vital topics of the day. The Hall Institute offers a closer look into the nuances of politics and politicking.
The committee chairman says he expects to use the Hall report to craft legislation that he hopes will lead to college cost savings.
Executive Director Michael P. Rickards is a former college president and author of 15 books on political science and American history.
The Senate has always been more of a club, and so they therefore tend to rally around their own.
For those of us interested in public policy and New Jersey politics, it's a whole different world. It's fascinating to watch it. It's a leadership style that is very different, and I think myself, it's what New Jersey needed.
The Hall Institute keeps a finger on today's political pulse with special forums, town meetings, virtual debates, podcasts, and an online library of over 500 articles and reports written by experts in economics, politics, education, science, and more. When background matters, when insight matters, Hall points the way.